Microsoft Translator is outstanding. This is fabulous if you want to travel, if you want to talk to someone whose language you don't know. This is so brilliant. Okay, download it. It's free. This is the icon. And this is the interface. What do you have? Let's check out the options. Let's click on the microphone. Okay, here you can choose the language. So I'm going to speak in Portuguese. Now let's change it to English. This is the language you'll speak in, and this is the language you want. So let's just choose Japanese. But here you say you have something which is called divided. So you click here. If you can't see it, maybe you find two microphones. Choose that one. So I'm going to speak in English. Hi, this is me. My name is Fatima, and I am the author of the channel. I love doing videos, and I hope this really helps you because this is a brilliant app for you.
こんにちは。これは私です。私の名前はファティマで、私はチャンネルの作者です。私はビデオを撮るのが大好きで、これがあなたにとって素晴らしいアプリなので、これが本当にあなたを助けることを願っています。
Did you see it? Did you hear it? So you have the written text. Imagine you can show to someone, or you can, this person you want to speak Japanese with, or another language, because let's check out the languages. You have many languages to choose from. Okay. Let's check out the other options, which are amazing. So this is if you want to talk with more than one person. Okay. So you both have to connect your mobile phones. You can use it through a QR code, and then you just have to speak and it will write. Or write, you can also write. And you can talk to someone in another language. This person can answer you and tell me if this isn't good. You can also take a picture. And for example, imagine you travel and you're seeing a plaque and you don't know what it means, but you want to read it. So you take a photo and you have the instant translation. You can also write if you want. You can also start writing, choose your language, and that's it. This is so amazing. So if you like the video, do check out my playlists. I have many of them, and I have so many amazing AI tutorials for you and tools you are going to love. And then they have something in common, which is they are free. You are going to love them. So thank you so much for being here. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much. Bye bye for now.